You get 120 days to build a real Shopify store, not a demo, not a sandbox, a working business. Let me show you exactly what you can set up in that time. This is a brand new Shopify account. No products, no design, no sales. This is where everyone starts. The mistake most people make is rushing. The 120 days trial fixes that. You finally have time to build it right. First thing, store basics. Business name, currency, time zone. 2 minutes, done. Nothing fancy here. This just tells Shopify where you operate and how money moves. Now the dashboard actually makes sense. Design. Shopify gives you free themes that already convert. You do not need a custom theme on day one. Pick one clean theme. Preview it, publish it. Your store now looks like a store, not an idea. This is where most beginners get stuck, so keep it simple. Logo, colors, homepage sections. Watch this. Hero image, headline, call to action. No perfection, just clarity. You can change everything later. That's the point of 120 days. Now, the important part. Products. Title, description, price, and images. Here's the rule. Write like a human. Sell the outcome, not the specs. Add variants if needed. Sizes, colors, options. Save. You now have something to sell. If you can't get paid, nothing else matters. Shopify payments. Connected. Cards, wallets, local methods. This takes less than 5 minutes in most countries. Once this is done, your store is technically live. Shipping scares people. It shouldn't. Start simple. Flat rate. Free shipping over a certain amount. You can optimize later when orders actually come in. Now, power. Apps turn Shopify from a store into a business. Email capture, reviews, upsells. Install only what you need. Apps are tools, not trophies. This is the screen you want to see. Orders, customers, payments. Even with 0 sales, learn this screen now, so when the first order hits, you're not confused. Analytics. This is where smart stores win. Traffic, conversion rate, sales. During the 120 days trial, this is your homework. Watch what works, fix what doesn't. No pressure, no ticking clock. Here's the truth. Most people fail because trials are too short. They rush, they panic, they quit. 120 days gives you breathing room. Time to learn, time to test, time to launch properly. By the end of this trial, you can have a real store. Real products, real payments, real customers. Not perfect, but real. If you've been waiting for the right time to start, this is it.